I'm Father Matthew Hawkins of the Diocese of Pittsburgh, and this week I'd like to talk with you about rainbows. It is very easy to grow familiar with the world around us, almost to the point of being bored with the things that should astound us. Take, for example, the shimmering and mysterious beauty of a rainbow. The ancient Hebrews saw in the rainbow a sign of God's covenant, God's commitment and relationship with all of creation. This is a beautiful and poetic image. Children are much more likely to be in awe and to appreciate the wonder of rainbows than are adults. If, as adults, we have grown bored with rainbows, we should pause and look up into the clouds after the rain. When we look at a rainbow, we should allow ourselves to take in its almost otherworldly beauty. It is a multicolored arc of light that comes down from heaven and touches the ends of the earth, and then reaches back up into the clouds. Like the liturgy of Mass, it is a place where earth and heaven meet. As we begin the season of Lent, we are reminded of the beauty of God's love. We are reminded of God's enduring relationship with all of creation, which touches us here on earth and elevates our thoughts, hopes, and prayers back into heaven. In the Gospel this week, we hear that the Spirit drove Jesus out into the desert to be tempted by Satan. We know that Satan tempts us to be discouraged by life, to the point where we can no longer see the beauty and wonder in the world around us. And when we are discouraged, in our loneliness and in our suffering, we often find it difficult to experience God's love. But it's there, if we're willing to pay attention, just like the rainbow.